how to connect Pinterest to Shopify. In order to do this, we have to go to the App Store in Shopify. And to do this, we go here to the left where it says Apps. And I'm going to click on that. And I'm just going to scroll down here until I see all recommended apps. And from here, we can go to the Shopify App Store down here. Now, when I click that, it will open in a new window. And now we can type in what we're looking for. In this case, I'm going to type in Pinterest like this. And this is the app you should be looking out for. Now I click on that, and as you can see, it says this app isn't compatible with my store because my store isn't set in one of the countries it's compatible with. So if you click on that one, if you're getting this message, you will see that it's compatible with all these countries here. So this is something you should pay attention to when you're setting up your store in the beginning and you choose the country which it's based in. So you might want to choose one of these countries when you're doing that first. And once you do that, there should be no problem being able to download this app and installing it. So let's say you do that, and then this will be compatible. So you can just download it, and after that you just follow the steps in the app and you connect it to your Pinterest, and it's easy as that. And that's how you connect Pinterest to Shopify. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.